Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw yesterday US market bouncing back after a continuous decline of around 6, 7 days. We saw some reversals happening in the US market as well. Post Fed meeting, the market saw corrections, but uh, after decline, they saw some reversal. The concerns emerging in the US market was on the interest rate increase and Fed may push US economy to recession. But after correction on that, we saw some reversal. Apart from that, there is a meeting of top central bankers, or they all will be participating in a conference today evening, wherein US, Europe, UK, and Japan Fed chief will be discussing about the future course. So one need to be watchful on that, what type of comment come from that meeting. Apart from that, Indian market is nearing to its all-time high, considering the indication from SGX Nifty, quite possible we may cross all-time high in today's trade. So outlook on Nifty continue to remain positive. What we had seen that no doubt the market has run up for last 3 months, but the valuations are not at peak of pre-COVID level. The pre-COVID 1 year forward earning was at 19 times, and right now also we are at 18.4 times. So there is some scope already left, but the only concern is that the market has run up consistently without any corrections in the last 3 months. So uh, that is creating some concerns for profit booking. So quite possible there could be some profit booking, but there is a scope for market to go up from here also. A lot more will be dependent on the how the Q2 result unfold, Q1 result unfold, and how's the commentary from the uh, management thereafter. So that will be key driver for the market in the coming period. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So, as we have seen, continuously Nifty is taking a good support from its 20-day moving average, and even yesterday's trading session, it has taken a big support from 18,680 levels, and now it has shown a strong rally. The immediate resistance for Nifty will be placed around this all-time high, which is somewhere close to 18,887 to 18,900 levels. Once that is broken in closing braces, then we are expecting an upmove towards 19,000. And once 19,000 levels are taken, we will see a strong rally in the markets. Whereas 19,000 will act as a very strong resistance zone for Nifty also. And if we see a profit booking from those levels, then 18,750, 740 to 18,670 levels will again be the strong support zone for the market. Moving on to Bank Nifty has also given a good breakout from its 50-day by taking a support of its 50-day moving average and surpassing its 20-day moving average on closing basis. We feel the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is currently placed around 44,270, followed by 44,500. Once 44,500 levels are broken, then again there's going to be a big rally in Bank Nifty. In yesterday's session, also Bank Nifty has shown a very strong up move in the second half mostly. And if we witness a profit booking levels in Bank Nifty, then 43,800 will act as a very important support zone, followed by 43,500. Moving on to Nifty Financial Services, it has already given a breakout of 19,800, though it didn't close above 19,800, but we feel it is inching towards 20,000 levels in the coming session. But the immediate resistance for this index is currently placed around 19,860. Once that is broken, then 20,000 levels can be seen in Nifty Financial Services. Where the important support for Nifty Financial Services is placed at 19,640, followed by 19,500 levels. Moving on to stocks, Cummins India is looking good at current levels. It is currently consolidating right now, and it has given a breakout in yesterday's trading session. We feel you can take a buy call in Cummins India for a target of 1940 levels by keeping a strict stop loss of 1854. We've already initiated a buy call in this, and we request everyone to trade with strict stop losses since it is going to be a very stock specific market. That's all from my side. I request Amit to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you are seeing that the data point seems to be positive, as I mentioned in the previous session also that Nifty is having a strong support at 18,500 level. Till the time it's not going below 18,500 level, till that point of time, there will be a no confirmation from the short front. While on the upper end, we are seeing that at 19,000 and 18,900 strike corridor positions are not yet getting shifted on the upper end. So we might see some resistance near 18,950 to 19,000 level. Once if Nifty surpasses 19,000 mark, that directly the shifting would be towards 19,200 to 300 strike, where we are seeing that the IVs of a put writer will start getting added on at 19,200 and 300 strikers. So this might seem to a positive factor. While in yesterday's session also we have seen that the buying was witnessed sharply from lower ends. While we are seeing that in today's session, SGX is likely to open around 40-50 points on the upper end. So almost Nifty is likely to open near the resistance zone of 18,078 to 18,880 levels. So once if Nifty surpasses today 18,880 level, then we might see almost a possible 60 to 70 points upper and tick momentum in the market. While PCR yesterday closed at 1.20 level and India VIX closed at 10.78 level. India VIX is continuously coming down, which is a positive sign. India VIX is having resistance at 13.5. So till the time India VIX is not going above 13.5 and PCR is not going below 0.80 level, till that point of time, we should hold the long positions. While on the FI front also, we are seeing that the buying is continuously being witnessed. So overall, on all the data points of the options front, we are seeing that the sentiment seems to be positive. Well, on the stock specific front, we have seen that in yesterday's session, Fin Nifty index has given a strong breakout. So we expect the buying will be witnessed in today's session in the first half from the financial stocks. That would be from the L&T Finance, Canfin Home, HDFC Life looks positive. While another counter from which we might see some short covering rally will be RBL Bank and HDFC AMC. So keep watch on this counter. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Yesterday, S&P Global has raised credit ratings for HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, and Shriram Finance. So this news is positive for all the four stocks, and apart from this, also this can have a positive rub-off effect on the entire banks and NBFC space. So keep an eye on that sector. Thank you.
Good morning. Yesterday, we met the management of Uniparts India Limited. So basically, this company is a leading manufacturer of engineered components for off-highway markets in the agriculture, construction, forestry, and mining equipments. The key products include 3-point linkages, that is 3PL, and precision machine parts, that is PMP, along with recent forays in adjacent product verticals such as hydraulic cylinders and power takeoffs. It commands market share of 16.7% in global 3PL market and 5.9% in global PMP market. Geographically, it is 15% present in India and 85% outside India. The 3PL and PMP accounts for 96% of the business. In FY23, they had muted sales growth just because of the softening in the small tractor business globally in US and Europe, and due to increase in inventory days from 55 days to 90 days. Aftermarket business also showed softness primarily in Q1 and Q2 of FY23. According to the management, the pickup in the order is expected from September month onwards this year, and hence forecast high single-digit growth in revenue for FY24. The company is almost debt-free company on 31st March 23 with 46 crores plus cash available in the system. Talking about the upcoming projects, they have recently entered into one more segment, 3PL for all-terrain vehicles and utility terrain vehicles with Tractor Supply Company, and the first batch of 500 sets will be dispatched in September FY24 from India, which will be tested in 180 stores in Texas. And it is expected that it will reach 180 to 200 crores of business in next 3 to 4 years with better margin. According also 75 to 78% capacity utilization is done in Indian plants, whereas 60% is done in USA. The spend capacity is only 3% of the top line, as they no more invest in land and building purchase. It has also planned to spend rupees 50 crores on equipment last year, but it has managed only 30 crores out of it because some of the equipments got delayed. This year, it is rupees 72 crores spent, which includes 20 crores carried from last year. The future outlook on 4% adjacent business consisting of PTO and hydraulics, the company wants to keep it, if it keep it organically, so it may grow, then it will may grow around 7 to 8% in next 4 years. But the company as of now is looking for inorganic plan expansion in the vicinity of 100 to 150 million top line company, most likely looking in USA, but also looking in Europe side companies. The Presently, the stock is trading at PE of 12.3 times to TTM EPS. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Ramco Cement has commissioned its line three of clinkerization at its RR Nagar plant with a capacity of 3,000 ton per day. The electrical energy required for this new line is being completely catered by green power from company's own windmills. So this is neutral for Ramco Cement. Thank you.
So yesterday we met management of Godavari Power. Post our recommendation in March, the stock has run up and crossed our target price. Considering the interaction with the management, there is some softness in the pellet prices. Pellet prices has come up by almost around 1,000 rupees plus. And against that, the cost decline for manufacturing of pellet is down by only 200 rupees. So as such, there will be decline in the EBITDA for the company in coming period. Company will be getting some advantage in DRI. DRI, the cost has come down higher than the decline in the prices. As such, there is some gain happening over there, but company's larger profitability come from the pellets. So overall, what we see that uh, there is downward pressure on the EBITDA. Company has indicated that they may be doing around 1,000 crore EBITDA for the year. If you consider that the stock is already at current price fairly priced, so we may look to book the profit in the company. Apart from that, yesterday NSE and BSE come up with the conclusion that the trading in the indices of Sensex and Bank Sensex expiry for weekly will be on Friday, and NSE will not be shifting its expiry. That will act a bit positive for the BSE, considering that the volume in these has started picking up. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's session, we had witnessed some profit taking in gold and silver, and this might continue. So for trading purpose, one can sell gold around 58 to 50 and maintain a stop loss of 58 550. On downside, we are expecting to test the support level of 57 800. And in silver also, prices might pull back if it is sustaining above 69 300 level. But eventually, if prices are sustaining below that, then one should maintain a cautious position and one can sell with a stop loss of 69 850. And prices are expected to test 68 700 to 500 levels. Crude oil, one can sell around 56 65 to 70 and maintain a stop loss of 57.50. On downside, it might test 55 70 to 55.50. So for a pullback, if prices are sustaining above 55.70, then just for a trading purpose, one can buy for a pullback, and again sell around 56, 65, 70. Uh, Natural gas is expected to cool off after this rally, so prices might test to 26 to 25 levels. And for a trading purpose, one can sell around 34 to 34 and strictly maintain a stop loss of 238. And on downside, again 226 to 25, good level to enter long. And one can buy with a stop loss of 215. Again, for prices testing 234 to 35 levels. In copper, prices are consolidating. Prices are holding 714 level as a support area, and on upside again 720.22 is the resistance area. So one can buy for a pullback, strictly maintaining a stop loss of 712, and on upside again 720.21 one can take profit and also initiate a sell with a strict stop loss of 724. In zinc also, we expect prices to test 213 and 1250, and one can initiate a buy over there, maintaining a stop loss of 210.50. And that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting a range of 82 on the lower side and another range in 82.15. So one can initiate a long positions around 82.04 to 82 levels with a strict stop loss of 82.95 levels. Target of 82.10 and 82.15 levels. And on the upper end, I can initiate also short positions in the range of 82.13 to 82.15 levels. The stop loss of 82.22 for the target of 82.07 and 82.04. In GBP INR, if prices are going to sustain above 104.53 levels, one can initiate a long position for the intraday with a strict stop loss of 104.27 for the target of 104.75 and 104.90 levels. In Euro INR, prices comes around 88, 89.90 to 89.82 levels. So one can initiate a long position in this range for the target of 90.15 and 90.25 levels for the stop loss of 89.59 levels. Thank you.